Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla
and Chocolate.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla.
and Chocolate.
Yeah, it's really hot right now in California, so we decided that today we are not going to cook anything. I'm just gonna make Californian salad. And to make Californian salad, you need all these ingredients, besides a couple of them, which is like extra because I like them. So,
What I have here, actually what we have, is some romaine lettuce, tomato, green onion, garlic, cucumbers, radish, corn, carrots, red cabbage, even though it looks purple, I don't know, beans, avocado, and some diced sliced almonds.
Almonds.
Yeah.
Plus, we're gonna use peanuts. Of course, if you don't like peanuts or you're allergic, you don't have to use it. We're gonna have ranch, soy sauce. It's called ponzu. They usually use it for
pokey.
Okay, I guess.
No, that's how you say it, pokey. Poke tuna.
Pokey, yeah, he was right.
Yeah. So, by the way, she is my English teacher. She's trying to help me to reduce my European accent. So.
Of course, we're gonna use pepper, black pepper, salt. I use Himalayan salt, and I love sesame seeds oil.
Yeah.
Sometimes I use truffle oil, which is really good, but it depends what I like. Then we have, of course, balsamic vinegar and olive oil and sesame seeds. So let's start. Like you see, I have a really nice, how we call it?
Watch the knife. This is a cutting board.
Cutting board, yes, yes. You see, I'm just, excited to make food, and I keep forgetting, names of the things.
Well,
but,
by the way, he's the cook, and I am the one. I hate it when he does that.
yeah, right.
And I'm the one who cleans. So yeah.
Yeah, she basically, I make mess and I cook, I eat, and she does the all dirty job. Oh, by the way,
Toilets.
I am chef with a golden spoon. Chef?
Yes, chef.
Chef.
okay, so let's start, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, the reason I have two bowls because Ashley doesn't like tomato, and I don't wanna. Over the time I've learned to do like right away, to spread everything on two bowls. But of course, you can do everything in one bowl, and of course, eat from one bowl or share to people from that bowl. So, why I mentioned the cutting board, because I've learned not to use it. Somehow I'm so lazy that I just don't use it. I take a romaine salad and I just simply do like this. It's so easy. I don't need cutting board for them, Plus, then you have to wash it, and
I don't mind washing, but
if she has to wash, then she has less time for me. So, see, you have to think all the time.
silly. Oh, here we go.
Oh no, that's garbage.
I'm starting my job cleaning.
Don't keep it,
Yep.
okay?
Bam. There it
Okay.
goes.
So you see how fast it's going? You just do that, And sometimes you cut your fingers, but that's fine, Over like a couple times you'll be fine. You'll be pro. Oh, this part I like the most. I don't know why, I just love it. It's crunchy. Okay, so now we have to cut green onion. I usually
This is like a punk music style, hairstyle, punk music. See, my English is horrible. Okay, anyway.
the same with green onion. I don't lose my time, on cardboard. I just cut it like, basically, I do like a cross, and then I cut straight to the bowl. And to be perfectly, how to say it, even, I spread it, you know, because some parts are like white, some are green. So of course I want chocolate to have some of both, and I want also both.
Thank you, honey.
She doesn't know about it, but I always do that, you know.
Oh.
Anyway, so
Whatever's next, I'll pass it to you. Okay.
by the way, since I'm doing that, recently we were like on diet, and it's very important thing when you are on diet. Oh, sorry, wanted to pass it to me?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put it back so she can
What do you
pass it
need
to me.
next?
I need cucumber.
Okay, there we go.
So, you know, it's coronavirus, we have to be at home. So I realized that, oh yeah, by the way, you can cut cucumber on half if you want smaller pieces, and smaller is always better. I don't like big pieces, especially of meat. When you go to a restaurant and there's like big chunks of beef, and sometimes you chew on it, and you don't like it, right? So whatever is smaller, I think it always tastes better, right? Yeah, depends, you know. So what I was saying, about diet, right? So
Well,
we
let
are
me
trying
chime
to.
in. Okay, because
Yeah.
I know a lot of people, you know, they're at home, quarantine on the, you know, unfortunate times, but we just wanted to make sure we wouldn't gain any weight, you know. So we decided to eat healthier, count calories, because that's really important, right? I've never counted calories before, but it actually works. We both lost weight. He's lost more than me, for sure. But we both lost a good amount of weight.
Well, the trick is you have to count calories. I know people don't like to do it, and it's kind of hard at the beginning, but once you start doing that every day, over time, you know, you're gonna know that, for example, one romaine salad is about 150 calories. I don't know, cereal with little bit of 1 cup of milk is 200 calories. So it's gonna stay in your head, and then you know. They say you should have at least 1200 calories a day, so that's what we're trying to do. You know, I should have probably, normally I should have around 3000. I weigh about 200 pounds, so I try to have at least 1500, and over like 3 weeks I lost about 15 pounds at least. But now I am this plateau where I don't lose weight anymore. So what I do, I don't eat for about like 16 hours from the moment I go to sleep. So sometimes I go to sleep at 12 and I had meat at 11, so I don't eat until 3 p.m. next day. Yeah, I started to lose weight again, but it's, you know, it goes very slowly now, but it goes down. Anyway, so we have cucumber, we have green onion, we have romaine salad. By the way, this is Californian salad, and we are in California, where is a lot of people from, you know, Mexico and some South American countries where they love beans and corn. So of course, if you wanna call it Californian salad, it has to be a lot of beans and corn. Not a lot, I mean, it has to be included, right? So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of corn. And by the way, I love the corn taste.
Taste, yes.
Yes.
It's good.
Then, you know, of course, little bit of carrots. And then, of course, red cabbage. By the way, red cabbage you don't have to include, but I love it.
It's good.
Then we have white beans. Usually people like black or red beans. I think my body doesn't tolerate it, but I hope that it's gonna tolerate white beans. So,
You hope. Okay.
yeah, I hope.
Experiment time, huh?
Experiment time. Now, radish. So I just slice it, you know, half here, half to herbal. By the way, herb is always on the right. I don't know why. Just you know, in my life.
It's his OCD.
Yeah,
That's
OCD.
what it is.
Now, garlic. When you cut garlic, you just, you know, make these crosses again. and then you slice it. I love garlic. It helps you with your immune system, and I know you worry about your breath, but come on, you know, if you eat it with salad like that, you can barely, you know, taste garlic.
Okay, let's start a new slogan, okay? Health is better than breath.
Oh yeah, exactly.
There we go.
Now, avocado. Avocado is another thing that it has to be in Californian salad, you know? California is where, you know, it's a lot of avocados around.
Healthy fat.
Yeah,
Healthy
so
fat.
we need a small spoon.
Okay.
I use a small spoon, but you can use the big one, so it's easy to just take it out and put it to the salad. Here's the thing. This avocado is not really
Ripped, like
Right.
See? You
Yeah,
see?
not right.
That's why she's here. Without her, you wouldn't understand me. I'm telling you. But
it should
You
be
know
right.
what? He's doing so much better now. Like
Yeah.
a couple months ago, now he's doing better. So good job.
Yeah, thank you,
Good
thank
job,
you.
baby.
The thing is, you know, I'm reading book every day, half an hour with her just to reduce my accent, and it works.
Yeah, some words he says better than he did a couple months ago, so that's really good.
I made mistake. I
Improvements.
never went to school to train English when I moved here from
It's
Europe.
okay. It's all about the present and the future.
Exactly.
Don't think about the past, right?
So. I like she smiles. You know, I love avocado in salad.
It is pretty good.
It is good.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, you see that box container?
Tupperware.
Yeah, now you can maybe little mix it.
Mm-hmm.
That container is because honestly I can't eat this salad right now, so I'm gonna put mine into this container and eat it tomorrow because I'm not hungry right now. And by the way, what happens with the salad inside the fridge for 1 or 2 days, if you leave it inside the fridge, it becomes a little bit fermented. That's how we say it, fermented, right? Like
Sure.
kind of like kimchi. If you never had kimchi, I recommend. It's a little bit spicy. This is not spicy, but it's gonna have this really cool texture and it tastes good. I like it. It's a little bit different than fresh salad. So now, okay, Ashley doesn't like.
No.
I said your name, but you know her real name is Ashley. Mine is. It doesn't matter.
He has a couple
Yeah.
different names, so he
Yeah, I
doesn't
have
even
to.
know what to call
I go
himself
by Stanley
anymore.
Kowalski. So yeah, Stanley Kowalski. There is a reason for that. One day, if you keep watching our channel, we will tell you why I am Stanley Kowalski. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like you see, this salad looks really cool now. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna eat some, but not all. You know.
Portion control.
Yeah, but that's another important thing. You know, if you want to lose weight, you have to eat small portions more often.
Yummy. Looks good already, but there's more. There's still more to do, of course. You
Not
know,
much more. I hope you're not taking a lot of time. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of almonds.
speaking of time, just to let you know.
Now, do you want?
No, I don't want peanuts. No,
That's
thank
why I
you.
do separately. You see, I love peanuts in salad and soups.
Didn't I?
Oh, you said no peanuts.
It's okay, don't worry. It's
Oh,
alright.
you know what? I'm gonna.
I'm not allergic. No, it's
No,
okay.
it's
Don't worry
all-
about it. It's
I'll
fine.
take some
I will
out.
eat it.
No.
I will eat it. Don't worry.
sure? Okay, how about sesame seeds?
Sure, I'll have some.
Okay. You said you want some, right?
Yes. Okay, perfect. Good, good, good.
Okay, now. So this is out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
Now a little bit ponzu. Just a bit. You know, you don't need a lot.
Ponzu is good.
It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
It's
It gives a certain flavor to the
It's like
salad. It's like, yeah. It's really
citrus,
good.
right? That's how you say it, citrus.
Mhm.
Now, black pepper. I hope this camera is recording. Now, Himalayan salt. You can use regular salt if you need more of...
Himalayan?
No.
What?
The regular salt. What does it have?
Iodine.
Iodine? No, that's how you say it?
I was gonna say iron.
And sesame seed oil. This one, you just put a little bit because it's very, very powerful. But I love the taste. So just a touch of it. Okay, so this is out of the way. Now, a little bit of oil, olive oil.
Olive oil, yes.
Already smells good. And vinegar. By the way, I watched this documentary where they recommend vinegar to get rid of different allergies and stuff like that if you drink spoon a day. So I always put it to the salad. And at this point we are almost done, besides one thing, dressing.
Yes.
Now with dressing we just put a little bit. The reason for that is because when you eat salad you don't want to feel only dressing. It's like if you put a lot, then you're just eating basically dressing. You don't take advantage of all the vegetables. So seriously, just a touch of it. That's it.
Yeah, before I met Vanilla over here, I would drench my salads in dressing because I liked it. But then, you know, I had some of his and I like how he does it, so
Yeah.
it's pretty good.
So at this point, we are basically done, right?
Should we check?
Did I forget something? Remind me, because you know.
I think you put everything in there
Yes.
because, yeah.
So.
You put the truffle oil in there? Did you do truffle?
No, we're not gonna do. When I do sesame oil, I don't put truffle oil.
Yeah, okay.
I use either or because both of them are really powerful.
Yeah, that's true.
They have different flavors, and yeah, I don't want to mix them together.
I like. Okay.
So this one belongs to Ashley, no tomatoes, and this one belongs to Chef with golden spoon. Vanilla or Stanley Kowalski. Okay, so now we're gonna try it. This is a moment of truth. Yeah, you just mix it a little bit like this.
Ready? Let's trade. And you feed me. I'm gonna feed you. Ready? You want a tomato on yours?
Okay.
You want a tomato?
Sure.
Alright. Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2. Good.
So good, right? Californian salad.
Yeah. Delicious.
My gosh. Okay, so now, like I said, I'm gonna put mine into a container and then I'm gonna put it to the fridge for tomorrow. And tomorrow it's gonna be a little bit different texture and it will be a little bit fermented.
Alright, well he can save his for tomorrow, but I'm eating mine today, okay? Good.
So I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed our channel and you're gonna click that button like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious food. I think next time we're gonna do something like real cooking, you know, no more salads. Yeah. Right?
Right.
Okay.
Good job.
See you guys.
Bye.
Didn't you say you were gonna leave it in the fridge for one day?
I know, it's so good. I know, I forgot. I didn't forget. I'm so hungry. But I'm tired. Okay. Thanks for reminding me.